Hello, my beautiful people. It's like feast or famine with me. Either I don't do a lot of videos or I do a lot of videos, but I did promise I was going to do an unboxing. And this is the last Goddess Provisions box that there is because they're moving to a different model or something. And I'm very sad about that because I really haven't been with them very long. And it is one of my favorite boxes. But a better video unboxing I'm going to link below is from Hestia, where she goes into really great detail about the items in the box. So you definitely want to check that out. I also I had a great experience this morning with the Walking Awake group that I belong to, and I'm going to link them below if you're into spirituality, Celtic spirituality, pretty specifically. It's an amazing. There's an amazing book that I got when I was in Iona, and it's like a card set in a book. And when I read it, the person who authored it was like kind of local, although it's not local anymore because she married a Scottish fella. But it was just like so many connections were made. So like so many ways that spirit was like this is your person, these are your people. And so I had that this morning, and just a refreshing renewal of like spiritual energy. I don't know how to say that, but just a call to action, a call to arms. And you know, and we think about our energy, especially this time of year. I think I get very frustrated with the commercialization of Halloween, and sometimes it impedes on my ability to appreciate the sacredness of Samhain and how I personally view it. And you know, with the time is going to change tonight, and you know, and it's darker and it's a little more dreary out, and you know, I get, you know, a little bit, you know, I don't want to say sundowners because I don't think that's it, or you know, seasonal affective disorder. I don't think it's that. It's just like my energy wanes, and I get out of practice doing the things that I should do. You know, setting daily intentions and meditating and pulling cards and pulling runes. So that is my goal moving forward, to make sure I get back into practice with those things. So preparing for that, let's unpack this box. Oh, before I unpack this box, Hestia is sponsoring a sisters exchange, and a sisters secret exchange for the holidays. And I encourage you to join up. The more the merrier. They can be handmade items. She did set a price limit just so that it's a price limit of what something is worth. Like, you know, if you hand make something, which I hope the person who gets me makes something, they don't have to buy anything from me. But it's just like, you know, like it's the difference between like, you know, making something simple and making something that, you know, is, you know, meaningful and worth something. So the gift exchange information is on her website, on her YouTube channel. So I will link all of that below, and you should join up because I think it'll be great and great fun to meet other people who, you know, are spiritual and practice this sort of stuff. So I'm going to pause for a second because I know my noisy husband is on his way into this kitchen. All right, so the theme of this last box is Enter the Void. You know, I don't read this beforehand, so I'm not going to look at that. So we're going to unpack things. And I do know what's in this box because I watched Hestia's unboxing. So I'm excited for what's in this box. In this box is a potion bottle, Cosmic Answers. And it's a really cool bottle. Purple. That's so cool. No idea what I'm going to put in here. Maybe moon water. I don't know. Maybe you use your pendulum with it. I have no idea. But that is super pretty. So I'm excited for that. And then we have Hair Revive Elixir. You know, if you know me, I don't do a lot of this kind of stuff. Oh, I got a jar of this in some other box. And I did use it, and it made my hair feel waxy, which with curly hair, can be problematic. See, and then we have, I know what this is. There's a sacred altar ornament to help you create crystal grids and charge your ritual roots. This looks really cool. I don't know if mine's different than Hestia's, and if they're all the same. Oh, it's a charging plate. It's got the snakes on it. Snakes mean renewal. In the Celtic tradition, snakes are not evil. So they mean renewal, you know, because you can constantly shed your skin and begin anew, which I feel like is the time for me right now. I feel like that is sort of the space I'm in. Recharge and renew and shed that old skin and get something new going on. Just getting rid of some of this packaging over here. All right, and the last thing is a deck of cards. And Hestia actually went into great detail about these cards, so you should check out her channel. They look really cool. I like my Celtic cards. I have a bazillion decks of cards, and I always kind of come back to the same 2 decks that I really, really like, in addition to my Rune Stones, which really resonate with me, and my own Iona cards that resonate with me. So we'll see if I like these, but I still think it's a great box. I am going to miss Goddess Provisions. It's a great box, and I am sad to see it go. So in the wee booklet, the Shadow of Light Oracle, which is the deck of cards, and if you've bought cards, you know they're unrighteously expensive, so they have a $33 value. The Cosmic Answers bottle is an $18 value, hand wash only. Earth Harbor elixir for your hair. Oh, you could have gotten one for your skin or one for your hair. This one's for your hair, I think. Yes, this is the hair one. The Infinite Magic Altar Tile, which has a $22 value. Oh. And there's a stone, which I didn't see, which is Serpentine. Honest goodness, it looks like concrete from my front porch. But apparently it will boost your psychic powers. So there's that. So overall, I think this is a great box. I am going to miss Goddess Provisions on the regular box, and I hope they come back to that model. I've not been with them a long time, so there's a good chance I would get things I never got before. But I don't want to get a lot of duplicates of things I have, because I have so much. So if you have any boxes you can recommend to me, my friend Nav gets Witch's Casket, and so I'll be getting that. I just signed up for that. And I'm wishing you all the very best in light and love. Have a great day. Bye-bye.